Easy Polish with Dorota Cooper. When to use instrumental case narzędnik in the Polish language. Kiedy należy używać narzędnika w języku polskim? The instrumental case narzędnik is the fifth of 7 Polish cases and answers to the questions z kim, with who, with whom, z czym, with what. The instrumental case narzędnik always refers to the object of the sentence, never to its subject. There is no equivalent to the instrumental case narzędnik in the English language. In the Polish language, the instrumental case narzędnik is used in the following context. Number 1. Combined with the preposition z, with, for expressing company. Example: z kim mieszkasz? Who do you live with? With whom do you live? Mieszkam z kolegami i z psem. I live with colleagues and a dog. It is also used in other expressions such as ciasto ze śliwkami, cake with plums, herbata z mlekiem, tea with milk, dom z ogrodem, house with a garden. For expressing the tool or instrument you use. In English, you would use the preposition with. In Polish, instrumental, narzędnik, you do not use a preposition for that construction. Examples: czym piszesz? What do you write with? With what do you write? Piszę długopisem. I write with a ball pen. Czym wycierasz ręce? What do you wipe your hands with? Wycieram ręce ręcznikiem. I wipe my hands with a towel. Number 4. For expressing profession, relationship, or nationality. In most cases, combined with the verb być, to be. Examples: jestem Polakiem, a on jest Niemcem. I am Polish and he is German. Marek jest moim bratem. Marek is my brother. Ja jestem nauczycielką. I am a teacher. In English, you would use the nominative case for this construction. In combination with several verbs, for example, być, to be, interesować się, to be interested in, zostać, to become, okazać się, to prove to be, jechać, to go, cieszyć się, to enjoy, etc. Examples: ja interesuję się polityką, a ona literaturą. I am interested in politics and she is interested in literature. Chciałbym w przyszłości zostać lekarzem. I want to become a doctor. With the following prepositions: nad, over, przed, before, in front of, pod, under, za, behind, między, between. Examples: mieszkamy nad morzem. We live by the sea. On stoi przed domem. He is standing in front of the house. Stół znajduje się między szafą a krzesłami. The table is located between the cupboard and the chairs. For expressing time and location. Examples: dniem, by day, nocą, by night, wieczorem, in the evening, idę ulicą, I am walking in the street, etc. In other expressions, as a so-called logical subject. W kuchni pachnie ciastem. In the kitchen it smells like cake. Powiało chłodem. It got cold. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia. Poland, stay classy.